me a big rock.
Okay, here we go.
Stay on the right side.
Okay. Fish.
We're gonna go fish on that side.
This side?
Other side.
Oh, so this side.
Right across. Right across.
Oh, right across?
Yeah. We're fish right across.
Damn. This may be taking a little long. Evergreen.
Ricardo, stay on the right, stay on the right.
Okay. Looks like there's like old footprints from when this place used to be all muddy and stuff. Just must have been a huge earthquake. Like, was there like earthquake here that like caused all the ground to look like this? Hmm? Is it just me? Do I think there's eels that live in this water?
Eels don't live in here.
No?
No.
Oh, okay.
There's trout, bass, catfish, bluegill,
Bluegill.
some other stuff that I probably don't know about. You guys have any luck yet? Yeah. Oh, good job. Oh.
Hello, doggy.
Good job, guys. Leave the dog alone, Ricardo.
I know. Look, this is a good fishing spot right now. There's no one here. Yeah.
Hold on, we could.
Yeah, let's try.
You want?
Yeah, I want to try.
Alright.
Gotta be very careful when we walk here. No? Oh, yeah.
Fisher? Yeah, let's fish her.
Yeah, let's fish.
We could try.
The time we're going
There's
away.
probably no fish here, but we could try. Fish right here.
Careful, don't fall down.